Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be taking you through step by step on how to download the Pionex app in this tutorial. First, open the Play Store. Enter Pionex app in the top search bar. Then tap on Search. This is the application that we're going to be downloading. Tap on the install icon. Now let it download. Once the installation is finished, tap on Open. Tap on the person icon at the top left. You can now use the email address and password you used to register to login, or you can follow the steps to create a new account by tapping on Sign In or Sign Up. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.